And now we will continue the dream. And so he continues the dream with Alice, sharing with Alice all the horrors of the world. He puts her through all the furnaces because he has to, if she is going to bear his name. I have tried you in the furnaces of affliction for my own sake. For my own sake I do it. For how should my name be profaned? My glory I will not give to another. So he takes Alice through all the horrors of the world. And then in the end, instead of thinking of Alice, he thinks from Alice. I can think of you forever and forever, and you're but shadows within my mind. Flat surfaces, depicting that which I would like you to be, but you are not that which I would like you to be until I die and live in you, and turn you into a reality. How different the cubic reality is from the dimension, that is, the flat surface that depicts it. So Alice is simply within the imagination of the divine imagination. Only a flat surface, moving because he observes. He animates her by being aware of her. But he so loves her, he will not let her go. He leaves everything and cleaves to Alice until he enters Alice and dwells within her and thinks from Alice instead of thinking of Alice. And then one day he awakes within Alice, and Alice discovers she is the king that was dreaming. And then he brings confirmation of his gift and his promise to her. But one day there's an explosion within Alice, and Alice sees standing before her this youth that he described, which was a boy, a handsome boy, with beautiful eyes, ruddy and fair of skin. And he stands before Alice and calls Alice, my father. And Alice doesn't feel strange about it, although she's Alice, a girl. She doesn't feel strange that she is the parent of this wonderful son, who is the king's son. And the king had told her in the beginning, that's how I will prove to you that I will die and rise in you. I will give you myself, and the only way I could ever give you myself is to give you my most precious possession. And my most priceless possession is my son, David.